My name's Emily Granger.
And I'm Sarah Marasco.
And we are from Biggin and Scott. Today we are standing at number 9 Old Coach Road in Berwick.
This stunning property sits proudly on an elevated block of approximately 4,000 squares and has uninterrupted views as far as the eye can see.
Let's go take a look. Perfectly crafted for those who prefer the finer things in life, this residence has been architecturally designed and is a vision of pure excellence. The floor plan is of palatial proportions and offers multiple living zones that allow to relax in ultimate luxury before retiring to the exquisite mezzanine master suite, complete with spacious walk-through dressing room and resort-style ensuite with twin vanities and double shower. The remaining 3 bedrooms are equipped with built-in robes and serviced by 2 bathrooms.
The vast open-plan living space combines a formal lounge and dining, all flowing seamlessly together, yet expertly separated by clever architectural and interior design. The spaces all open out to the outdoor living area, perfectly orientated to take the gorgeous panoramic views over the infinity pool and spa. Nestled conveniently in the heart of the home is the gourmet kitchen, fully complete with stainless steel appliances, butler's pantry, and a large island bench with breakfast bar. Plenty of storage space, and it is as beautiful as it is functional. The property also houses an exceptional wine cellar room, separate study, theatre room, rumpus/billiard room, and accommodation for 4 cars.
Thanks for watching.
We look forward to seeing you at one of our open for inspections.